The word fall has multiple meanings and can be used as a noun or a verb. Here are examples of both. 1. As a verb action, meaning to move downward, typically under the influence of gravity. To descend. Usage in a sentence: the leaves fall from the trees in autumn. 2. As a noun season, meaning the season of the year between summer and winter, when the weather becomes cooler and the days get shorter, typically marked by falling leaves. Usage in a sentence: I love the colors of the trees during the fall. 3. As a noun, loss of power or status, meaning a sudden decline in strength, power, or status. Usage in a sentence: the dictator experienced a rapid fall from power after the revolution. These are just a few examples, and the meaning of fall can vary based on the context in which it is used.